Okay, one of my favorite subjects, NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Now, this rather unattractive image on the left here with the uh, blue headscarf and the purple background. It's a CryptoPunk, and they were introduced in 2017 on the Ethereum network. So they're 8 years now. They've been in existence. There are 10,000 distinctive versions of this, different backgrounds, different shape, faces, different hair, different beards, etc., etc. And those traits that they have, it's a pioneering concept. That led to the idea of rarity. So this is the only one that has a blue hat. This is the only one with a beard. This is the only one with a Michael Jackson hairstyle, etc. And they've really got into the culture of crypto. And beyond that, I'll just show you this. Tiffany's has released a CryptoPunks jewelry collection representing the original digital images. I'll just pick on one here. This guy on this particular one, it's got a hat. It's made in gold. Has some obviously diamonds, etc. He's smoking a cigarette. So this is stuff that's ethereal and sort of intangible becoming real in the real world.